In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated tasks in Notion in just a few minutes. Notion is a powerful tool that helps streamline your work process by organizing information in an efficient way. One of the best features of Notion is the ability to automate tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. First things first, let's dive in by logging into your Notion account. If you already have an account, just head over to the Notion website and sign in using your credentials. If you're new to Notion, setting up an account is quick and straightforward, and you'll be on your way in no time. Once you're logged in, you'll need to create a new page, or if you'd prefer, you can click on an existing page that you want to work with. A new page gives you a fresh slate to organize your tasks, whereas updating an existing page might be beneficial if you have a pre-existing organization structure in place. After you have your page ready, it's time to set up a template button. This is the real powerhouse for creating automated tasks. Begin by typing the command template button. When you do this, Notion presents a template button option which you can click to insert into your page. Once you've added the template button, the next step is to give it a name. Naming your button effectively is crucial because it should indicate the purpose or content of the tasks it will generate. This clarity will help you maintain organization as your number of template buttons grows. Inside the template button configuration, you can add tasks or content blocks. For example, if you're planning a project, you might include to-do lists, reminders, or content blocks for storing crucial project information. This section allows you to configure everything you want the template to generate automatically each time you use it, thus saving you from repetitive tasks down the line. Once you've finished inserting everything necessary into your template button, don't forget to click Done. This step saves your configuration, ensuring that everything is set up exactly how you want it. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can automate routine tasks in Notion, freeing up valuable time for more pressing tasks. Notion's versatility and efficiency amplify your productivity significantly when these steps are implemented effectively. Thank you for joining me in this quick walkthrough, and I hope you find it helpful as you enhance your Notion experience. Happy organizing!